rugged, undeveloped country. No problem for the helicopter. But on the ground, it's Land Rover country. Reliable, versatile and powerful, this ruggedly built vehicle has become a legend in its own lifetime. Four-wheel drive devouring the toughest climbs and drops. Box section chassis and lightweight alloy body giving immense strength and stability, taking marsh, sand and bogland in its stride. Out of almost 1 million Land Rovers produced, 3/4 have proved themselves overseas against the roughest terrain offered by the continents of the world. The go anywhere, do anything conception of the very first Land Rover has never been altered. But mechanically, progress and development have never stopped, and the single design of 1948 has today grown into 5 basic models. The versatility and performance of these is underlined by the enormous number of variations which have evolved from the basic vehicle. To the original utility has been added modern-day touring comfort. A complete specification for worldwide travel is offered by a caravan conversion on a 109-inch wheelbase station wagon. Containing 4 berths, it is completely self-contained. The adaptability of the Land Rover to almost any purpose has naturally attracted the attention of public authorities. And these vehicles, either converted or with accessories, have proved indispensable. Permanently mounted on a forward control Land Rover, a 2-man hydraulic platform is powered by a pump driven from the standard power takeoff. Operating at working heights up to 35 feet, all movements can be controlled from the cage. Hygienic removal of refuse is provided by a tipping 3 cubic yard side loading conversion. And articulated trailer units, both standard and special purpose, have proved ideal for public utilities. The 109-inch long Land Rover may be equipped with a front-mounted winch, mechanically driven from the center power takeoff. Using special ground anchors, the winch is capable of a cable pull of 5,000 pounds. A wide variety of winch types are available for fitting to the Land Rover to meet every need. One special purpose unit is an auto capstan winch, pulling up to 4,000 pounds. Cable lengths in excess of 750 feet may be stored automatically, and the cable can winch in any direction with a maximum rope speed of 12 feet per second. Other conversions provide on-the-spot workshops with welding and electric-powered tools. Fitted in place of the tailboard on any standard Land Rover, a generator provides mobile power for arc welding. Simple belt drive from the rear power takeoff supplies this portable package-type unit.
Covered in smoke in a moment. This way, please.
The responsibility of certain authorities often extends to cover the field of public safety, where fire can represent a major hazard. The speed and effectiveness of control by a small, self-contained firefighting vehicle, able to move swiftly to even the most difficult locations, speaks for itself. Many varieties of Land Rover, long and regular wheelbase, forward control and standard, lend themselves to conversion to the specific requirements of firefighting authorities all over the world. Whatever the particular function may be, they all have in common the unique qualities that only Land Rover can offer. A call for firefighting assistance is often coupled with the urgent need to supply ambulance services to virtually inaccessible points. Once again, the choice of Land Rovers for such work is automatic. Emergency calls may come any time during the 24 hours. Calls for swift, silent electric lighting, perhaps, at the scene of an accident. Wreckage may have to be cleared and vehicles moved in confined spaces, where the use of compact pick-up cranes is essential. Remote control gives freedom of movement, allowing one-man operation. Long or short wheelbase Land Rovers provide the basis for such equipment, either mechanically driven from the power takeoff or in the form of a quickly fitted unit powered by hand. The lightweight, detachable nature of the equipment allows it to be removed in minutes, freeing the vehicle for other uses. Highly mobile pneumatic tools have proved invaluable in rescue and maintenance work of all kinds. The long wheelbase Land Rover lends itself ideally to the underfloor mounting of a powerful air compressor. A wide variety of tools can be powered, from pneumatic cutters to concrete breaking drills, taking full advantage of the self-contained nature of the unit. But despite the supreme adaptability of the Land Rover range, which has led to sophisticated conversions for every other purpose, there remains always the hardcore of farmers and landowners using them for agriculture. In this field, many conversions and attachments have been designed to take advantage of the Land Rover's performance in a variety of roles, from snow clearance and log cutting to grass mowing. And even the power boring of post holes is being explored. On the prototype, a hydraulic power takeoff is utilized, bringing the tool to the job and powering it with the same vehicle. Land Rover power may be mechanical, electric, hydraulic, or in this case, pneumatic. A built-in compressor and a single air hose provide useful on-the-spot pumping. Again, Land Rover power is used to spray agricultural ground dressing, either in broad widths or in concentrated areas and small quantities. Ideally, all field equipment should be serviced in the field, cutting waste travelling time to a minimum. Completely independent of site power supplies, the Transportable Service Unit provides full lubrication and tyre inflation for plant equipment on site. Perhaps the height of mobility is reached with the addition of a powered axle trailer unit. Developed for use with the Land Rover, the trailer is particularly impressive when teamed with a Rover military vehicle design. Driven via a propeller shaft from the vehicle, a 1-ton cargo trailer provides the combination with a 6x6 performance. The tremendous ability of these vehicles across rough country as well as on the road has made them an obvious choice for service with defence forces and police authorities. Not only ground, but air and naval forces operate many varieties of Land Rover all over the world. The uses of the Land Rover are not solely confined to practical activities in the field. Conversions to mobile cinemas are used to bring training and education films to the most out-of-the-way locations. For wherever men have to reach inaccessible places, the demand for Land Rovers will remain. And where time is vital, the height of fast mobility has been reached by combining the performance of the vehicle with the speed of air transport. A wide variety of Land Rovers are already in service with the forces of some 140 territories overseas. Now, to obtain the greatest degree of air portability, a new half-ton model has been developed specifically for air transportation by either aircraft or helicopter. while down on the ground, it's back to Land Rover country with a go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle. Tough and reliable, stable and powerful, versatile and compact. These are the qualities which add up to Land-Rover Ability, the design which has become a legend in its own lifetime.